Hakamata-san, first, I'd like to start with the front. But could you please tell us the key points of the LBX front face once more?
In addition to the iconic expression created by the resolute look and spindle shape, I'd like you to note the low center of gravity and impressive presence created by the low-profile hood.
Well, it really is an entirely new Lexus front end, isn't it? I'm sure you had to go through a lot of trial and error to get to this point, but how was that?
Yes, in terms of constant evolution, it's always trial and error. This time, while retaining the essence of the spindle body, we reconstructed the way the spindle should be, and by combining it with the resolute look, another heritage design cue of Lexus, we arrived at a unified spindle that is instantly recognizable as a Lexus.
I can sense the feeling of finally reaching that goal. And so, the unified spindle hides the latest advanced safety system functions around here, and the shape of the face itself is aerodynamic and contributes to the handling and stability, correct?
Yes, exactly. In addition, we integrated the DRL and turn signal functionality. We've tried to realize a new expression, and we've made the lamp body more vertically compact, which also aims to reduce weight.
Wow, you thought of everything. Will future new Lexus models follow the same concept?
The concepts behind the new Lexus front face, starting with the LBX, will be continued with future new models, but will further evolve according to the character and new technologies in each car, which you can look forward to. By the way, with this car, the L signature faces out instead of in. In the previous version with an inward-facing signature, the arrow points in the opposite direction to the turn, so with safety also in mind, we have reversed it.
So, this is the side view, Hakamata-san.
Yes, as you can see, the size is based on a B platform, and by taking advantage of the core characteristics of the package, we created short overhang proportions that make it look very agile. As for the packaging, it is an SUV, but we designed proportions with a low center of gravity as much as possible.
The tires are big, and you can definitely sense the low center of gravity.
Yes, it has big tires for this size, 225, 55, 18 inches. The base of the A-pillar has been moved back towards the rear, making the cabin more compact and making the hood look longer, giving it a sporty side view.
Yes, it definitely looks sporty, and it looks like it'd be very nimble. One thing though, wouldn't you lose interior space if you moved the A-pillar back like this?
Yes, we'll have you sit inside later, but you'll see we created a spacious interior suitable for nimble driving.
Okay, I will check it out later. And over here, just like on the NX, the flares on the rear fenders are very dynamic.
Yes, the overall width was extended to 1,825 millimeters, and by matching that with large diameter tires, we feel we've designed a shape with lots of volume, creating a presence that goes beyond the hierarchy of size and class.
Definitely. And it's not just about mass, it's also dynamic and sexy.
Yes, we made the side surface shapes more dynamic by boldly tightening the area around the rear door. The door hinge alignment and door panel molding were a big challenge when executing this design. So we worked closely with Z Division, TMEJ Design, and other related departments to make this a reality.
So, it wasn't only with design, but you had to collaborate with others.
Yes, we worked with each department as one team to ensure these dynamic shapes and large diameter tires coincided with safety performance.
We are now at the rear. Just like with the RZ and RX, this car has a very good stance with a low center of gravity.
Thank you. Our research into emphasizing the low center of gravity gave birth to the Kagami-mochi theory. Specifically, by placing a compact cabin on top of the underbody and clearly defining the torso and cabin, the center of gravity appears to move downward, creating proportions that stick to the ground and reflect a new way of thinking.
The Kagami-mochi theory is very interesting. So everyone, Kagami-mochi is something Japanese people offer the gods when they welcome the new year. It's very unique. And do you have something similar in your country?
Thank you for the explanation, Toshi-san.
No, I thought it was really unique. And this rear combination lamp is also unique.
Yes, the rear combination lamps inherit the Lexus horizontal lettering design cues, but are expressed in a way that is unique to this car. While blending with the back door's shape, I gave it a characteristic graphic that cranks a bit like this, to give the LBX a unique look.